Heri Parliament ku butambi bwafulumizibwa ng'abakozi ab'oku Kisaawe ky'ennyonyi Entebbe basaba Enguzi. Ono ategeezezza nti obutambi buno bubayambye nnyo okutereeza entambula y'emirimu ku Kisaawe.
Oli akomye emitwalo ana. Akomye emitwalo emeka?
Minisita w'ebyenguudo n'entambula Jeno Katumba Mala agambye nti obutambi bwalabikira ku mitimbagano nga bulaga abakozi ku Kisaawe ky'ennyonyi Entebbe basaba Enguzi bubayambye nnyo okutereeza enkola y'emirimu n'okukyusa abakozi.
As the ministry, both of us, we are very thankful to those vibrant Ugandans who came up with those videos and were able to send them on the social media.
Jeno Katumba abadde mu lutalo lwa Parliament nga walipoota ku bizibwawo ku mitimbagano ebikwata ku bakozi bu Kisaawe Entebbe nga basaba abantu abeera bakozesa ekisaawe kino Enguzi ategeeza nti ku bakozi abalekera mbota beeru mukaaga bakwate nga n'abakola ku Kisaawe okusuka emyaka 15 bakugobebwa.
Transfer of all staff that have overstayed at the airport. Some of them have been there for more than 15 years. The use of personal mobile phones is banned during actual work time or in regular active working area.
Katumba ategeeza nti mungeri etereeza bino bakendeeza ku bifo awakirirwa okuva 12 okutuuka ku 5.
The roadblock, which is a must, because that's the entry to the airport. We have Ua and Avipo, K9 checkpoint. Why? Because there's been a lot of smuggling of animal products. Hold baggage checkpoint, check-in counters. This is where you do document verification and then immigration. So those are the only checkpoints now.
Abakukulira nti moshi wakazo kawonte ne Jonathan Odulu wairute South bategeeza minisita nti asanya okulongoosa ekisaawe nga bagoba abantu bonna abalabikira mu butambi so si kubakyusa bukyusa.
But this is not a one-day activity, Right Honourable Speaker. What we saw was just a symptom. Right Honourable Speaker, 26 people to be stealing at the same time in an institution, and you think it is something that we can take lightly. I would request the Minister through you, Right Honourable Speaker, that they should consider an overhaul.
This is one of the weaknesses that we have in this country, that even where on the face of it you have got people red-handed, people are doing things against public policy, people have messed up institutions, all you can do is to transfer them and then you leave them to go scot-free. I think at this stage we would appreciate if you had listed to us the number of people who have either been suspended pending investigations.
Ombaka Kyawusa Makubuku municipality ategeeza nti wateekwa okubawo ekirala ekigenda mu maaso ng'abangu okusenjaga ng'abagisa basobola n'okuba nga banguyira olw'enguzi eri ku Kisaawe.
This country is plagued with a lot of drug abuse, and the statistics in Butawika can allude to that. I'm not very certain about the canines at the airport. They are probably also being bribed.
Solomon Sironya agamba nti olw'obutali bwerufu okuviirira ku badduka y'ekisaawe ensimbi nnyingi ezisobozebwa okuba nti abakozesa ekisaawe nga tezimanyiddwako mayitire.
Money from the toll gate is not declared, is not clear. So there is corruption from the management, from the top management, Right Honourable Speaker. When you look at issues of payment of staff, the bulk payment for staff, you find this staff is working, or they are working at the same level, but they are paid differently. Honourable Minister, I want you to take keen interest the way they manage the resources of the Civil Aviation Authority.
Yombako mchere dokoro sesiyo gwalagamba nekizibu ekivuddeko byonna okwoloneka bebakulira ekisaawe obutavaayo ku mirimu gyabwe.
I want you to look at the structure of the top management. Who are the people driving the management of civil aviation? What is their professionalism? Where have they come from? What is the track record of their management?
Waliwo okukkiriziganya nti ekigenda mu maaso ku Kisaawe kiraga okwononeka kw'ebisamano okutwaliza wamu nga tate ku Kisaawe kyekawabula mu bitongole bya gavumenti bingi.
It's not only the airport, it is in NIRA, it is in the airport, it is in immigration, in internal affairs with passports. I think that we need an internal mechanism in government departments to be able to detect these evils.
Bedi Lutale, Nerocho Nakasi Oksakid Gulino, Bukedde TV.